If you're tired of spending hours scrubbing your bathroom, the right tool can make all the difference. Today, we're diving into the best bathroom scrubbers that promise to save you time and energy while delivering spotless results. From powerful electric models to versatile manual options, we've got you covered. Let's explore these top picks that will take your bathroom cleaning routine to the next level. KLEVER Cordless Handheld Power Scrubber. The KLEVER Cordless Handheld Power Scrubber is the ultimate cleaning tool for anyone looking to simplify their household chores. Despite its compact size, this scrubber packs a punch with a 200 RPM spinning action that effortlessly tackles tough stains on a variety of surfaces. Whether you're cleaning your bathroom, kitchen, or even the car, the 8 interchangeable brush heads provide the versatility needed to handle any task. One of the standout features of the KLEVER scrubber is its rechargeable battery, offering 90 minutes of continuous cleaning on a 3.5-hour charge. This cordless design allows you to move freely, eliminating the need for messy cords or constant recharging. The scrubber's ergonomic, lightweight design ensures comfort during extended use, while the durable construction guarantees it can withstand tough cleaning jobs. With its ability to reach tight corners and nooks, the KLEVER scrubber is perfect for deep cleaning hard-to-reach spots. The water-resistant build and versatile brush attachments make it an all-around must-have for anyone who wants to cut down on cleaning time without compromising on results. Whether you're tackling stubborn grime or routine cleaning, the KLEVER scrubber is an efficient and powerful solution for all your household needs. RUBBERMAID Reveal Power Scrubber. The RUBBERMAID Reveal Power Scrubber offers a fantastic solution for effortless cleaning, making it an ideal choice for those who need a powerful, time-saving tool. This cordless scrubber tackles the toughest grime with ease, thanks to its oscillating head that scrubs up to 60 times per second, ensuring surfaces like tiles, grout, and bathroom fixtures are spotless in no time. The included attachments, such as the large, grout, and soft bristle brushes, are versatile enough to handle a wide variety of cleaning tasks around the house, including in tight spaces. What truly sets this power scrubber apart is its user-friendly design. The water-resistant feature ensures that you can use it in damp areas like kitchens and bathrooms without worry. Additionally, its ergonomic handle makes it easy to maneuver, reducing hand strain during extended use. Whether you're tackling heavy-duty stains or just need to give your surfaces a quick refresh, this scrubber cuts cleaning time significantly, allowing you to spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying a clean home. The RUBBERMAID Reveal Power Scrubber is a dependable, high-quality tool that gets the job done efficiently and effectively, an excellent addition to any household cleaning arsenal. BLACK+DECKER Power Scrubber. The BLACK+DECKER Power Scrubber is a practical tool designed to simplify your cleaning tasks around the house. This cordless, submersible scrubber is perfect for tackling tough grime in various areas, including pots, pans, stovetops, and bathroom surfaces. With a lightweight, ergonomic handle, it ensures comfort and ease during use, especially when cleaning tight corners or hard-to-reach spots. The rubber overmolded grip offers a secure, slip-free experience, even during prolonged use. What sets this scrubber apart is its versatility. Whether you're scrubbing kitchen appliances, bathroom tiles, or even outdoor furniture, this scrubber does it all. The powerful oscillating head moves 60 times per second, helping to break down stubborn dirt and stains quickly. It's also fully submersible, so you can clean your items above and below water. While most users appreciate its time-saving design and solid performance, some have noted that it could benefit from more power, particularly for heavy-duty tasks. Still, for everyday cleaning, it does the job well and saves considerable time compared to manual scrubbing. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER PKS160 Power Scrubber is a reliable tool for anyone looking to reduce their cleaning time and effort, offering great value for its price. PUFTEM Electric Spin Scrubber. Next up, we have the PUFTEM Electric Spin Scrubber, a true game-changer in the world of household cleaning tool. This scrubber has earned its place as one of the top-rated cleaning devices of 2025, offering exceptional performance and efficiency. Powered by a high-performance motor, it boasts 2 adjustable spin speeds, 350 RPM for regular cleaning tasks, and 400 RPM for more stubborn grime. This makes cleaning quicker and more effective, saving you time and energy with every use. The scrubber comes with 6 versatile brush heads, ensuring it's ready for anything from scrubbing bathroom tiles and sinks to tackling car wheels and windows. The ergonomic design is lightweight and easy to maneuver, ensuring you can clean comfortably for longer periods without strain. Plus, its IPX7 waterproof rating means it can safely handle wet conditions, offering peace of mind when cleaning showers or bathtubs. What sets the PUFTEM electric spin scrubber apart is its impressive battery life. A full charge lasts up to 180 minutes, allowing you to clean your entire home without interruptions. The digital battery display lets you easily monitor the charge level so you're always prepared for the next task. Whether you're tackling everyday cleaning tasks or deep cleaning your home, this scrubber makes it faster, easier, and more efficient.